This is a story of Dave and Sharon finally living their dreams of sailing to the Caribbean and beyond. Join us while we share our adventures from getting the boat ready and embarking on our cruising life.
After being priced out of a stainless steel tower being welded for us, we decided to go with tower in a box. We assembled the tower on the dock. Then we're going to use a halyard from the mizzen mast to pull her onto the boat and situate it. We were very grateful that a lot of people from other boats came and helped out. The specs for the tower were based on SV Jupiter, another Mango, who I guess was the first to order one of these. They had straight legs, and Jupiter has yet to put theirs on their boat yet. So I had my doubts, thinking that I needed the articulated legs in order to follow the contour of the boat. I would ultimately be proven correct. After communicating with Atlantic Towers, sending them all kinds of pictures, they finally got it. So they agreed to send us a new set of articulated legs, and we shipped back the old ones, all on their ticket. So here we go again, starting from scratch, putting the tower together on the dock and raising it onto the aft of the boat with the mizzen halyard.
Yep, okay, hoist it up. Hoist it up. Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, yeah, bring it up. gets wet.
Yeah, because you're out of level pretty much.
I would say we got at least 5 inches there.
I think for loading and pads, you're good.
Yeah.
I do.
Oh no,
And you know, if you need to load it, once you get it,
I'm gonna put the legs on it, and
if you want to load it more, just slide it back.
where are you gonna let the legs through the hole? Or you're there. There you go.
She's relaying. She can get him there.
And
Perfect. Call me at night.
All right, so we put the mounts on the tow rail on the Mango, and I ended up with 2-inch mounts. Is really what you want if you're going to put it on the tow rail. And the backing plates are the same. They're 4-inch backing plates, but they have holes for the 2-inch. So what you end up having to do is grind them down or cut them off so they fit. So we'll see right here, right there, and right there. I had everything marked. The next thing I'm going to do is pull these legs off. I have those marked. I'm going to take the tape off and glue them in, put the tape back on, and then when it's back up on the dock, we'll either drill and tap or drill through. Here's the other side for those, and we'll go out and look from behind, and we'll show you how we've got this. Well, let's see. Excuse the sun. We've got this up with a halyard and resting against the stays here just to hold or suspend it up while we do the work down there. And we'll come out on the dock, and we will come out on the dock. Here we go. We'll come out on the dock and take a look at, from the side. There she is, suspended. Oops, I got my strap in the water. Pull that strap out of the water. And here you can see the mounts on the other side. They kind of fit nice and neat. Now I kind of made a mistake. It didn't tape up. Let's see if we can see it with this. I made a mistake and didn't tape up the sides of the rail just with masking tape, so I didn't scratch. So I got it scratched, but that is paint, so I can paint over it, smooth it out and paint it. So what we're doing is gluing the legs in. I have them marked here and here, so I have an alignment. We're going to glue them and then tape around here and up and around to hold it up and let that glue dry or harden, and some Marine Tex, and that will give me a chance to drill and tap when I'm up on the dock. First thing I did was I wiped with acetone, wiped down the part and up in here. Now I'm gonna mix some. I've got a piece of tape ready to go, and mix some glue up, and I guess I can use that same one. Mix some glue up and shot.
We want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.